Solo 2, Playing with Bends. This is the solo that you'll learn in the following lessons. It contains a lot of bends from different positions, so it's a great solo for practicing bending. Since you've already learned some bending techniques in the previous courses, this level will focus on how and where to bend in this specific scale shape. In theory, you can bend from almost every note in the scale. However, in this course, we'll focus on the 3 most common positions that guitar players use in this shape. All 3 bends are full bends, which means that you bend one whole step. The first position is on the 3rd string, right here. The second position is on the 2nd string, right here. And the last position is on the 1st string, right here. The bending positions on the 1st and 2nd strings are on notes that you normally would play with your pinky. And, as you know, bending with your pinky is very hard. So using your ring finger with support from your middle and index fingers is a lot easier, as it gives you more power and control when you bend. So instead of using your pinky, you can use your ring finger like this. When you practice the shape, you should use all 4 fingers, but you might want to use your ring finger when playing that note in licks and solos. Also, when bending, you should try to reach the next note in the scale. So when you bend this note right here, you actually play this note in the scale, and when you bend this note, you play this note, which is the next note in the scale. In the following lessons, you'll learn to play a solo with bends from these 3 positions. You'll start practicing in a slower tempo to really get those bends into your muscle memory. Just remember the hints from the previous courses. Bend with all 3 fingers to get that additional strength, and try to reach the next note in the scale when you play a bend. We also recommend that you use an electric guitar while bending, since it can be very hard to bend on an acoustic guitar.